Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Tara!
Kain muna kami
And then, buong araw, maligo, mag-snorkeling, and chill-chill lang. Dito sa river. Soak the moment, di ba? Ang ganda talaga dito sa campground na to. Oh. Let's rewind.
Good morning guys. It's our third day. Malinaw ang tubig so hindi siya masyadong umulan. Kaya Beach manong papakain ng kabayo. Muntik pang madulas. And it's raining outside. What's on the menu?
Yummy!
Tender juicy. Hopefully stop.
And it did stop. Yan, umaraw pa so pwede na kami
Breakfast by the river. Yeah. Freshly brewed coffee. Sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Yes. Oh, whoop. What is this? Spider. Oh, ganda spider oh. Laki oh. Yan. Kain muna kami Buado.
Pakita ko muna sa inyo itong CR namin para pag gabi hindi na need pumunta ng CR kasi akyat ka pa. So yun, convenient. Tara, punta tayo dito. Baba tayo. Ayan mas malinaw ang tubig kesa kahapon. Sana maraming isda. Lakas ng ulan. Ayan nice. Lamig ng tubig. Uy. Ayan. Let's go guys. Sana maraming isda. Ang daming isda. Tara guys, ahon muna tayo. Ang tagal din nating sumisid. Guys, nandito lang tayo sa tapat ng aming tent. Ngayon, mas malinaw ang tubig. Marami siyang isda sa ilalim. Meron din yung malalaki. Hindi ko alam anong matawag sa mga isda na yun, but marami siya. May iba't ibang kulay na isda. So, pag nagdala ka ng snorkeling, pwede kang sumisid at nakita mo isda. So, free snorkeling ka na rin, di ba? So, solo ko ang river is around 9:30 ng umaga. Whoop! Nikolai is already awake. Good morning!
Uy, naka-record Nire-record mo ko.
Wow! Mom is preparing sopas. Nice! And while the boy is there. Hi Nikolai, I'm just gonna go take a look across the campsite. This is not part of...
Decomposed in the water.
Yes, this is not part of Camp Award already.
So I'm standing on...
Eto tayo. Umulan Sabi nung mga employee dito way daw to pa. Going up the hill. But this is not part of the camp property anymore. Ayan. Dito tayo. Let's go. Wow. Oh, may hagdan. Saan kaya to? Oh, Wow. Wow, may daan dito mataas. Hindi ko na pupuntahan muna. Yes.
What are you doing there?
I'm coming back now. Ayun yung camp ground namin. Hey, what do you call that place?
What?
That place there.
Windy current.
Windy Current. How about on the farther side?
Quiet fort.
Wow. This is our fort.
Because we are at camp.
Yes. What camp is this?
Camp Awol.
Just playing with rocks. Awolista. Ang tawag sa campers sa Camp Awol. Slowing the time. Let's go guys. It's lunchtime. Puntahan natin. Oh, nasa na? Hey, what's the menu for the day? Sopas. Yeah. Hot sopas with steamed rice. And boiled egg. Kain muna kami. Hey, we're going up
Oh, shoot.
the hill again. Where the slides. Giant swing, I mean.
Where is it?
Where the bridge is. And to the tower. Yan, nauna na sila. On top of the mountain. Oh, hi. We are on top of Camp Awo. Yeah. With Nikolai and Mom. Look. Nakakalula yan. There you go. The wind is very strong. Kaya pala nahihirapan si drone kanina, no? Lumalaban siya eh. Video. Wah! We are crossing the hanging bridge. Yes. Let's go. Time for dinner. Ano dinner natin?
Dad!
Yes,
Here!
I'll be back. Wait lang. Tara. Mag-iigib tayo ng tubig. Dapat bukas na kami uuwi, pero nag-extend kami ng 1 day. Dahil
Requested by
Nikolai. At nagkaroon kami ng alag. We check our... Oh, there is it. There's the dam. Still there.
The dam is strong.
Yeah, you build it strong. It's past 11
Did you
and
know that there is more vowels than there is vowel letters?
Yeah, I got
Vowel
it.
letter is A, E, I, O, U, you know.
okay, I got it. Thanks for informing me. Now, time to sleep. Hopefully the rain's not gonna come in anymore. So it's our day 3. We extended 1 day. See you again tomorrow. Bye.